In the pursuit of creating viral videos, there exists a meticulous process with 5 essential steps that must be meticulously followed. The initial step involves conceiving an intriguing and captivating idea, for without such an element, any video risks being disregarded by potential viewers. Hence arises the question, how does one unearth the most sought-after content? The answer lies in perusing Google Trends, which unveils the latest trending topics based on various criteria such as location and timing. The subsequent step entails delving into the arduous task of scripting one's video. Every minuscule detail must be accounted for within this script, not even emoji should escape mention. To illustrate this point further, consider 2 creators named Alex and James who opt to produce videos on identical days with matching editing styles and content choices. However, Alex crafts a concise 3-minute video while James opts to extend his to 7 minutes in length. Unsurprisingly, it is revealed that James' elongated piece garners more views than Alex's iteration. The rationale behind this phenomenon can be attributed to YouTube's preference for lengthier videos, a preference substantiated by users spending prolonged periods engaging with content on the platform. Therefore, creators are advised to craft lengthy scripts whilst ensuring that such verbosity does not compromise audience engagement or lead to monotony within their creations. In order to captivate your audience from the start, it is essential to craft an engaging introduction, rather than immediately asking viewers to subscribe, like, comment, and share your content. Consider enthralling them with captivating visuals or thought-provoking insights. It is futile to simply list off requests without offering any substance for the viewer to engage with. Instead, focus on creating a compelling opening that draws in their attention. When it comes to sound recording for your videos, not having access to a high-quality microphone should not deter you from creating top-notch content. Thanks to artificial intelligence technology that can convert text into speech seamlessly, there are no limitations when it comes to producing professional audio for your videos. As you move on to the editing process, there is a plethora of software options available depending on your preferred platform. For desktop users looking for robust editing tools, programs like Adobe Premiere Pro or Ace Movie Video Editor offer advanced features and capabilities for enhancing your content. On the other hand, mobile editors such as KineMaster or Filmora provide convenient solutions for those who prefer editing on the go without sacrificing quality. Ultimately, regardless of which tools you choose to utilize, prioritizing creativity and precision during the editing phase will undoubtedly elevate the overall impact of your videos. The 5th step involves uploading your content, where you must adhere to a specific upload tip. Utilize tags that are relevant to your video, which can be found on rapidtags.com. Following this, the 2nd step is crafting a detailed description that includes information about alternative channels, the title of your content, and links to your social media profiles. Now, I reveal the key to increasing views on your videos, the thumbnail. This serves as the image or cover that users see before watching your video. By creating an eye-catching thumbnail using platforms like Pixellab or PixArt, you can attract more viewers. So, gentlemen, how did my videos resonate with you? Remember to engage by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing.